Hello everyone, it's an African thrower, the soldier, the man talking about this life, because this life, we're gonna change it. Or don't you think we cannot change it? Okay, sometimes there's some things that you can change and things that you cannot change. Rarely, we don't struggle too much to change things that we cannot change, because when you struggle too much, you'll die in pain, die in misery, die in because every time you want to change things that cannot change, then it's like changing the flow of the water. How can you change the flow of a river? And then if you divert the river, sometimes when the big rain will rain, then probability the river will go back to its course, because everything, there is some things that are supposed to stay like that, and there are some things that can change. So what are those things that can change and things that can not change? The things that cannot change, probability. The things that cannot change are only things that God made, because anything that was made by God, you can only destroy it, but you cannot change it from one form to another. Because after all, yes, sometimes we may breed trees or anything like that. Yes, it's good, but anything that God created, He created it without mistakes. Because after all, when He created it, He said, and when He looked at it and He saw it was good. So the things that God made are things that cannot be changed by man. But what can man do? The man can change his society for the better or destroy it. Because the society, if it's good morals, we can change morals of a society. Even if it was bad, it was a rotten morals, then probability, one day it's very possible for man to change, because he is the only man who put the bad morals to the society. So it is possible for him to change. But anytime, things that we can change, things that are in our hands, is the things that you can change anything that you are given to protect. Because sometimes maybe you are a pastoralist and you want to change your cows from so you sell maybe the meat cows and bring the new breeds, because the breeds you can change. That is something that you can do and change it. But look at it, there's so much things in our societies that are affecting us. When you look at people dying in depression, people dying in people are, why are people frustrated by this life? Because after all, maybe you are trying to change things that cannot change. Also, you may be interfered by them, because sometimes, look, maybe you are a girl child and you're married in a home where people, maybe you don't like their behaviors. The only thing that you can do, I'm so sure that it's possible for you to change them to be like you, as long as you are a clean heart. But things that you cannot change, you gonna leave them, because the manhood, you can't change the manhood, the man ego, because man was made to be the head. But there is some things that the girl wants to change from us. They want to make the man to be below. That is something that you cannot change, because from the beginning, the man was made to be the head. Then when you want to change it, then there is conflict there, because you want to change things that cannot change. Also, in a man, you are meant to love your women. When you don't want to love them and you want them to respect you back, then you don't want to come back home. You want to go even a month, and then when you come back, you want to be loved. Then you're not showing love to the lady. Maybe that's the time conflict starts. So if a lady is not loved, that's the nature of every lady. Every lady should be loved. every man should be respected. But how does the two mutual things happen? It will happen because they were meant to be like that. You can't change them. And anytime you try to change it, then chaos in our society comes back, because every time chaos will come as long as you want to change things that cannot change. But these things that you can change how a man's behave, because it's behavioral. Because even if he has made it for like maybe he maybe have behaved like that in 10 years or 20 years, but it is possible for you to change it, because you can nurture what you want in that man and make him a better person than you may think. Me, I will also like look at it. Is it possible for us to change our beggars from not begging and give them opportunities to think for themselves and work for themselves? We can also make them maybe to work and maybe make these things and get money instead of begging. But also you can maintain that cocoon of making them to beg to you as long as you don't want to change it. Me, I believe in change. I believe that in everything that in our society, we can as well change it and make it better than we found it, because things that are made by man can also be made again by man and made for the better of our society. Things that were made by God, we can only leave them and appreciate God from them and see him in them, because you cannot change it. The crowds, how can you change them? The birds, how will you change the nature of a bird from flying? So the only thing, you're gonna leave it to be like that. So even in our society, there's so much things that we can change. There's others that we cannot change, but those that we can change are only the things that we can change are things that were made by man, the man himself. Like everything, even televisions, anything, we can change them and create another things bigger than those, as long as we are creative. Because every day a man changes, and a man changes his habits by the nature of where he is or where he is. So the only thing is, let's change our society, make it better, from worse to better, and also change our thinking for the better. Positivity is the way. Don't be that coward who also, like me, I look at, there's some wives who are cowards. When their man goes out of the home, they think that the man went to hanya hanya. Me, that is cowardice and that will make you just depressed. Let us be confident, let us love each other, let us also appreciate each other every day and create our good morals, and positivity remains in our society. Don't overthink so much, because overthinking will only create diseases, will create blood pressure to you. Overthinking will make you feel less. So like the only time, me, I urge everybody, let's change the good things that we can change. The ones that we cannot change, we're gonna leave them for him who made them, because they are only things that were made by him that we cannot change. But anything else we can change, from wearing things that are not made in Africa and make our own things, because it's possible for that change to happen. We can change anything, and we can change our society as long as we need to change it for the better. We can look for those quality things that you need and bring them to our mother Africa. Change it, make it a better place for us all. We need a change. We need even the change of thinking, such that we love each other. We don't misunderstand each other just by the looks, but understand each other more and make our Africa the mother to innovation, and we change everything that we can do, because the change that we need today is the greatest change that can make us feel empowered even inside our mind, inside our hearts. As we walk, we think big and we love each other, because things that we can change, even we can change so much, that as long as it's man input to the society, we can change it. If it was immoral, we bring it, and we can bring back good values to our society. Anything that is bad, we drop it out. Anything that is good, we uplift it up and make it better, because our lives, we change what we can change. What we cannot change, we leave it. But the only thing that I feel that the only things that we cannot change are the natural things that God created. But most of other things, we can change it, as long as it was brought by man. And if it was a bad idea, it can change. But a good idea, let it remain, because any good thing comes from above. And if it is good, it was meant for us all to enjoy it. So let's maintain the good things. The bad things, we change them, and we live a good life and a comfortable life. All blessed everyone.